Next, we move on to feature scaling. So we basically select the number of features for standardization. So these, which would be like numerical features equal to age, resting BP, all the way up to old peak. Then we do a scalar is equal to a standard scalar. Basically, this creates like a standard scalar. Then we move on to the process brackets age, all the way to old peak scaled is equal to a scalar.fit transform the process brackets numerical feature. Basically what this line of code does is it fits and transforms like the numerical features over here. Then we basically print before scaling, so by using df process numerical features I'll describe. And then after scaling by basically using features equal to call features dot scale for call and numerical column. And then we df process bracket scalars features dot describe. So here we have before scaling for like the columns for age all the way to old peak for like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum 25% of 50% of 75% of max. And then we have after scaling for each of the categories now for age scaled all the way to old peak scaled for count until like max. Basically after scaling this, the range for the like numerical value is like smaller as compared to before here, which like has a range from like 900 all to like for to like 9 as compared to which is like somewhat closer now. And this standardization basically prevents like features with like large numerical ranges that would like basically influence the model in a negative way, as many machine learning algorithms perform better with like standardized features. So yeah, next we move on to basically visualizing the before and after scaling for the age and the cholesterol columns. So age before scaling, age after scaling, cholesterol before scaling, and cholesterol after scaling. So over here we have age before scaling. The range is from like 30 to like 90. And after standardization, it becomes from like -3 to like 2.3. Then we have cholesterol level before scaling, which has like a range from like 90 all the way to 600, as opposed to not after standardization, which has like a range from like -1 to like 7 basically. So yeah.